For years, APPLiA, representing the home appliance industry in Europe, has not missed a single opportunity to stress the importance of tracking all electronic waste and giving a new life to precious materials. Today, 90% of the materials coming from the officially collected appliances when they have reached the end of their life are recovered and re-enter manufacturing circles. This substantial number, however, only applies to 1/3 of all generated electronic waste in Europe. But what happens to the other 2/3? 2/3 of precious resources, copper, steel, aluminium and plastics, remains undocumented and is not coming back into material loops as secondary raw material, making it unclear how this waste is collected and thereafter treated. In numbers, 17% or almost 1/5 of the small appliances are disposed with unsorted municipal waste and do not reach the established recycling process for electronic waste where materials can be recycled. As an experiment, the APPLiA team started taking a quick photo of a coffee machine, a toaster and other small appliances being left in the streets of Brussels or ending up in the household bin. In the spirit of our 2-year-old initiative, Circular Culture, showing how collective actions can advance our sustainable lifestyles, we take the opportunity of this year's International E-Waste Day to launch a consumer awareness video that will be shedding some light on the recycling process of appliances and on the need to adopt a more circular mindset. With the help of experts, facts, and a little bit of humour, we will show the importance of our daily actions as citizens.